Ooh. Throw the cheese, why not? That's fine. Hello! Welcome back to my kitchen. I am wearing a hat because I bleached my roots and I didn't want to show you guys my roots right now. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair tomorrow, freshening it up, making it look better. So I decided I'm gonna wear this hat that I got at E3 last year, and it glows. I don't know if you can tell it's glowing because it's not dark enough, but it does. It changes, well, it doesn't change color. It's really awesome. But anyways, welcome back to my series, Anna Bites, where we bite into different recipes from video games. And we're gonna be doing a Monte Cristo from Sims 4 today. So this should be a lot of fun. It's a deep fried grilled cheese sandwich basically. So it's gonna be really tasty. You also sprinkle powdered sugar on top. So it's like sweet and you're supposed to dip it in a jam or a jelly. We're gonna use a vishne, which is like a Turkish cherry jelly because that's what we got. But usually it's like a raspberry jelly if you normally get it. Also, this is something that can be found at Disneyland. Like a lot of people go to Disneyland to get this Monte Cristo. I haven't had it there personally, but I've read a lot about it and it looks really good. So I'm really excited to make it here and hopefully it turns out just as good as they do, right? I don't know. All right, so let's see how it looks in The Sims and then I'll see you in the kitchen again here in just a couple minutes, all right? Let's see how to make a Monte Cristo sandwich in The Sims. All you're gonna need is level 8 in gourmet cooking. So you're gonna level that up a little bit higher than the last couple dishes we made. And it costs 14 simoleons to make, so it's a little pricey. But making it at home would be even cheaper. I don't think it cost me that much to make it in real life, so let's see what she does to make her Monte Cristo. All right, you get your bread, slice your bread. Oh, okay. All right, yeah, she's got those knife skills, that's for sure. She's very... Okay, she's chopping up her beef? What? I don't know if that's what's in a Monte Cristo, but we're gonna just go with it. It's The Sims. You put it in the pan, spin it around a lot. She's very happy thinking about her next thing she's gonna cook while it sears in the pan. A little extra salt never hurt. Yeah, oh fancy. Look at that. And it's gonna take a minute or two to make because you want to get a nice sear on each side. And there we go. I guess that's it. Easy peasy. Throw it on the plate. Monte Cristo. And it's got, a side of jam, which is of course what you need to dip it in. What's supposed to be in it is ham and 2 different types of cheeses. And then it's battered and fried in the pan. So yeah, looks quite good in the game. I'll see if I can make mine look that good. Like, this is actually prettier than the other dishes that we created. I'm excited to hop in the kitchen and see how it turns out. Let's go. All right, and we got all our ingredients ready. We got our provolone, our Swiss, our ham and turkey, 1 little lonely egg, some brioche bread, and the vishne, powdered sugar, and flour, salt, and regular sugar ready. All right, so first we're gonna do a peanut oil, but you can use any vegetable oil. Fill up a pan, about 1 to 2 inches of oil, because you're gonna be deep frying this sandwich, so that's gonna be a whole thing. I'm probably just gonna use all of this. My parents haven't used it, and they was in the back of the cupboard, and I was like, you know what? Okay, I guess that's all the oil we're gonna take, all of it. Whatever. And that's gonna be where you're gonna fry your sandwiches in, and you wanna make sure the oil gets hot, so you're gonna need a thermometer like this, or something of this kind. There's digital ones, whatever. And you can put it in the side and let it heat up until it gets to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know Celsius, so I can't help you there. You can convert it, Google can help you. All right, we are gonna assemble our sandwiches. Ooh, it's like really soft bread. This stuff looks really good, I like it. I got the good stuff. I mean, not fresh from the bakery, but still, nice type of bread. All right, so we're gonna I'm gonna work like I would when I worked at HEB and had to make sandwiches for samples. Put multiple sandwiches, because I'm making dinner for my parents today. They're gonna be eating this, so better be good, right? I'm not gonna use the butt end, I'm sorry. I'm not doing that to people, I can't. I wouldn't want the butt end, so I'm not gonna give them the butt end, okay? All right, 4 sandwiches right there, which is good enough. Plenty, I think, but just in case we want more. The next layer is gonna be ham, then provolone, then turkey, then Swiss. So that's the order. We got our honey ham, whatever your favorite ham is. Should I do, how many slices? Well, maybe 2 of each type of meat. Yeah, we'll do that. Because it's gonna have a lot of meat and a lot of cheese. There we go. Now we're gonna do provolone next, 1 slice on each. I hope this works. I'm a little nervous, but I mean, you can't really mess up a fried cheese sandwich, right? And then turkey, and then Swiss. This is our smoked turkey breast. And actually on 2 of these, I'm gonna use the prosciutto so that we have a different flavor. Or actually, you know what? We can put prosciutto on, actually more of them, whatever. Okay. So this is the leftover prosciutto from our last dish, the chicken saltimbocca. I'm gonna throw it in there, you know, like it can't hurt. It truly cannot. It is very sticky though. Like I said, it's like saran wrap. I have no idea why, but that's just how it is. And it's not too strong. Like I thought it would have a more strong flavor, but the prosciutto is actually pretty nice. Yeah, we'll put it on 3 of them, not all of them, in case someone doesn't like the flavor. I mean, they didn't complain about the chicken, other than the chicken was on the little drier side, but that was also because I had to get reheated. All right, there's that. Time for the Swiss. Ooh, throw the cheese, why not? That's fine, okay, easy. And then we put the bread, see, simple. Now you could eat this just by itself, throw some, you know, mayo, ranch, whatever you want, but that's not the point of a Monte Cristo. Monte Cristo is a decadent sandwich. I don't know how this is gonna stick together. Apparently I used toothpicks, I guess. All right, we're gonna use a lot of toothpicks here. You want 4 on every corner. Hopefully that holds it together enough. Will you fry it? I'm kind of concerned at that part of it, but we will see if I can make it work. I hope I had enough oil. Toothpicks for days, all right. Perfect. All right, for the batter now, because this sandwich is not just grilled, it is fried. So we're making a batter. We're gonna use an egg, 1 of those, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, which I already measured because I'm trying to be a little more slick at this, and then 1 tablespoon of sugar, because it's gonna be sweet. Then we're gonna add our 1 cup of flour, and then also I'm gonna need 1 cup of water. There we go. Water going in. Now we whisk this up. I don't know what whisk this is, but it's the only whisk I could find. Don't know if it's ideal for this, but we're gonna try. So whisk this together until smooth. Might take a couple minutes, or if you have a actual electric mixer, that would be faster. Nice and chunky. Like I said, I don't know if this is the right mixer. I don't feel like busting out the electric one just for a small batter, you know? But I don't want it to be chunky, so we're gonna keep stirring. It's fine. This is gonna be so good. I'm excited. Trying to get this done before my mom comes home. Like, she told me she was on her way home, and I was trying to time it so that she would get a hot sandwich. So hopefully I'll be done by the time she gets here. That's my goal. I'm trying, okay? How do we think? Is that smooth enough? I think so. No big chunks, nothing crazy. Nice and smooth batter. All right, we are just waiting for this to get a little bit hotter. It's about 250, just another couple minutes. It'll be where we need it to be at 350. Okay, we're gonna try to dip this in the batter without them falling apart. I'm really scared. Okay, oh God, oh God. So I'm using this thing. I don't know if it's gonna work. Jesus, that's a lot of batter. I don't know, the spoon to like scoop it on top. Not ideal at all. We're gonna make it work. Oh God, this is gonna be a mess. I hope this fries up okay. I'm really nervous. All right, well, coated. Now we take it out. Oh God, there's so much. There's so much liquid. Oh God, okay. It's fine, 1 down. You know what if I went like this? I'm trying to see if this would be better. Make sure your hands are clean. I mean, it got the sides better, and then I just scoop on top. Technically, that worked better. All right. Yeah, the scoop thing is just too much. Oh my God, I'm squishing it with my fingers. It's delicate, okay? It's fine. Okay, 2 more messes to be made. Oh God. I'm sorry on the angle too, guys. It's a little awkward where I'm filming. So bear with me. Oh my God, that feels so gross. Feels like I'm like climbing in with my hands like in jello. Jello pudding. Yeah, it feels like pudding. 2 sandwiches done. Last one. I'm gonna have some extra batter. We could even do another one if people were so inclined. Temperature is going a little hot. It's already at 300. Higher than, oh God, this is a mess. This is a mess, I'm sorry. I don't know a prettier way of doing this, okay? Is what it is. And the first bit of stuff on the tripod, batter. Not too bad though. Okay, sandwiches are done. They fried up really nicely. I don't know, I think they're gonna be pretty delicious. I cut one open, you guys can see. Ooh, cheesy, meaty goodness. And then we're gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar on top, and then we're gonna dip it in our vishne, which is our Turkish cherry jelly. And this tripod is amazing. I'm only gonna put sugar on 2 of them in case Dad doesn't want sugar, and for looks. There we go, it's beautiful. Now we take a bite. All right, let's see how it tastes in our vishne. Yummy. Smells good, looks good, nice and melty. It's like a really fancy grilled cheese with ham and turkey. It's got a lot of cheese. It's got the Swiss and the provolone. That's a lot of flavor. I do like it in the vishne. I think that's a good dip for it, definitely. Yeah, has a nice crunch on the outside, nice and melted in the middle. I think we did a decent good job. It definitely does taste like a fried sandwich. Definitely not healthy, but once in a while it doesn't hurt, right? I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like it, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see in another video. I have to decide what I'm doing next week, and I haven't decided yet, so if you want to give me feedback on what types of food you'd like to see from video games, I would love to hear. And yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.